The car seat. That's the detail people don't expect when I tell them about custodial grandparents. Not the exhaustion, not the school forms, not even the money. It's that a 68-year-old man who hasn't installed a car seat in 30 years suddenly has to learn how, at 10 at night, from a video, with 2 frightened children asleep in the next room. That's where Wendell's story actually starts, mid-installation. So that's where I'll start it too. This is Wendell, in his own words. The car seat took me 90 minutes, and I still wasn't sure I'd done it right. And that was the least complicated thing about the week my daughter's situation fell apart, and my grandkids, Tessa and Owen, came to live with me and my wife with about 4 hours' notice. I'm 68. I retired to fish more, not to relearn car seats and second-grade math homework, and the precise brand of goldfish crackers that Owen will and will not eat. Nobody warns you. That's the honest truth of it. There's no pamphlet for becoming a parent again at an age when you'd started thinking about grandparent-only logistics, like whether you'd bothered to child-proof anything in 15 years. We hadn't. The first week, I found myself Googling safe age to leave a 7-year-old alone for 10 minutes at 6 a.m. like it was decades ago again, except this time with hips that ache and a memory that's noticeably worse at retaining a first grader's entire homework schedule. Researchers who study what's sometimes called kinship care, or grand families, have documented that grandparents raising grandchildren report a genuine, measurable mix of 2 things that don't usually coexist: significantly higher stress and health strain than their peers, and simultaneously higher reported meaning and purpose. Both are true at once. Nobody hands you a study at 6 a.m. with cracker negotiations underway, but knowing both feelings are normal, not contradictory, just simultaneous, helped me stop feeling like I was failing at either one. The specific thing that saved us, practically, was accepting help we were too proud to ask for. My son-in-law's sister started taking the kids one Saturday a month, no explanation needed, and that Saturday became the thing my wife and I structured our whole month around, the way you structure a month around the one appointment that keeps you upright. Tessa, who's 9, told me last week that I'm pretty good at this for an old guy, which from a 9-year-old is a Pulitzer. Owen still won't eat the orange goldfish crackers, only the yellow ones. And I now know this with the specificity of a man who has sorted crackers by colour in a gas station parking lot at 11 at night, rather than have a meltdown 40 minutes from home. I'm not going to tell you it's easy, because it isn't. And I'm not going to tell you I saw it coming, because nobody does. But Tessa fell asleep on my shoulder during a movie 2 nights ago, the way she used to when she was 3, and I sat there not moving my dead arm for 45 minutes rather than wake her. And I thought, whatever this decade was supposed to look like, this is not the worst version of it, not even close.